Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to add our Digital Wellbeing app on our app screen in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. By default, this option is hidden. When we open our app screen, we have our default icons here. So let's add our Digital Wellbeing there. So settings, then we are looking for Digital Wellbeing options, and we need to tap three-dot menu, then go to settings, and here we have our option show digital wellbeing on app screen, and as you can see it's enabled. Let's see if it's, and here it is, our digital wellbeing has appeared on our app screen for our quick access. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.